Depending on who you ask, robots are either beneficial and vital to a prosperous future or the thing that ends humanity. After all, these high-tech machines are able to replace humans in many ways, but there are some robots in the world that push the idea of requiring speed to its absolute limits. So join me for today's video as we're going to take a look at the top 5 fastest robots. Number 1. CubeStormer 3. This is a specialized Rubik's Cube-solving robot at an astonishing 3.2 seconds, which is ludicrous in our opinion. The most astounding aspect of the CubeStormer is that it is composed almost entirely of Lego bricks. The robot is powered by a Samsung Galaxy S4 that has 4 high-performance AIROM cores and 4 lower-performance A7 cores. Each of them is in charge of a separate Lego Mind Storm actuator set. The phone analyzes the cube in front of it, directing the robot on how to solve it as it goes. When it comes down to it, the fastest time, CubeStormer 3 managed to solve a Rubik's Cube at an astonishing 3.2 seconds. Number 2. Jenkin. If you thought you were a master at rock, paper, scissors, the Jenkin will put you to shame. It has a 100% victory rate regardless of who it is matched against, unless of course it is paired against another Jenkin bot. It can outperform any human opponent because it has lightning-fast actuator technology and high-speed cameras. It uses the camera to closely monitor its opponent's hand movements, ready to defeat them no matter what gestures they use on the count of 3. This is because its high-speed actuators kick in milliseconds after their opponents make their choice, forming the gesture that's guaranteed to defeat them. It's technically cheating because it decides after you've displayed your hand, but it does so in such a short period that a human can't tell the difference. It's gone through 3 incarnations, each one improving on the previous one. It uses high-speed tracking technology to detect your hand emotions in real time, and it's very remarkable to see the junking robot work without skipping a beat. Number 3. KUKA. The KUKA robot held an intense match against one of the world's finest ping-pong players, delivering some incredible service returns and volleys. KUKA, a ping-pong player robot who doesn't know what it's like to lose, is better than any humans paired up with. Originally designed to handle assembly line work, KUKA can now be applied to a wide range of industrial applications. To demonstrate KUKA's capabilities, the team behind the ridiculously cool robot decided that the best way to do so would be to pit him against Timo Boll, a world-class ping-pong champion. KUKA was able to show exactly how adaptable it is during their fight and has hugely gained our respect. It is a success robot with incredible accuracy abilities and is entirely automated and operate without the assistance of a human operator. Number 4. Wildcat. The Wildcat takes great satisfaction being the world's fastest quadruped robot. It can sustain a sprinting pace of 32 kilometers per hour for lengthy periods and keep it balanced while performing sudden movements. It could even stand up after being knocked down, making it incredibly difficult to beat. The Wildcat's gait is comparable to that of a horse, which helps it attain such incredible speeds. The robot, which is 1.17 meters tall, is powered by a methanol engine. Each of the robot's 14 joints is manipulated by hydraulic actuators, which function in synchronization. The previous world record for the fastest quadruple robot was set in 1989, and it took decades for a team to develop a beast capable of surpassing it with a variety of gaits, including trotting, bounding, and gapping. Wildcat not only broke the all record but blasted it to bits, demonstrating that it deserves all the appreciation and respect. Number 5. LS3. LS3 is an amazing beast of a robot that is more than capable of keeping up with the quickest bots on our list, but not being quite as fast as its cousin the Wildcats. It weighs 590 kilograms, which is significantly heavier than the Wildcats, but this means it can take a lot more harm and keep running. It can go 32 kilometers on a single tank of gas and can run continuously for up to 24 hours, while carrying up to 182 kilograms of gear. It stands 1.7 meters tall and is operated by hydraulic actuators supplied by either a gasoline or diesel motor. The LS3 has 12 joints, enabling it to move its legs, and it's designed for soldiers who need a helping hand, hauling heavy items across rough terrain. It has been tested with payloads of up to 500 kilograms. LS3 can automatically follow a team leader thanks to LiDAR sensing system. Which of these fastest robots are you interested in? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Show us some love by smacking that subscribe button and continue watching by clicking on one of the cards on your screen. See you in the next one. Cheers!